Hello, this video is about location line of walls in Revit. Okay, first I select wall tool here. I'm going to draw walls. You can see that I'm drawing walls. Okay, when we are selecting this wall tool, there are few options we can change or we can keep them as it is, but among them this location line, you can see that it's already wall center line. There are few options as co-center line, finish face interior, co-face interior. Okay, let's see. I'm drawing a reference line like that. This is a reference line and I will delete those walls. Okay, now I'm going to draw walls here. I select the top constraint as level 2 and location line here is wall center line. Okay, let's see. I'm drawing that. The reference line here is, it is the center of this wall. I will check it. I will measure the dimensions. It is 100 millimeter and this is also 100 millimeter. It means the reference line is the center line of the wall. Okay, now I will change that. Okay, I'll change that location line. I change it to finish face exterior. Okay, I'll start here. You can see that now the reference line is not the center line, it is here the exterior line. But by pressing tab, you can see that by pressing that space button you can change the location of the wall around this reference line. Okay, and if we start from right hand side, you can see that the line is drawing in the other side of the reference line. And if we need to change the side of that wall, we can click on the wall and then press space button like that. It's changing here and there. Okay, like that we can change these options, among these options, and we can change the location line of the or the reference line of the wall we are creating. Co-face. Okay, look at this. You can see that it's also the reference line is not the center line, it is co-face. You can see that. You can change it by pressing the space bar. So we can use, if we have a grid line or reference line before we are drawing or modeling any design, we can use these location line types according to our design. Okay, let's see that this is a reference guide and these are center line of walls. Then we have to select wall center line. If those lines are the edges of walls, we have to select this finish face or finish interior or co-face according to the incident. Thank you.